Okay, this is the mountain. That's the very important. This is the homeland of Higaonon tribes. Okay. Without the mountains, without Higaonon tribes, because the mountain is the homeland of the Higaonon tribes. This is also the market of Higaonon tribes, and the same also what we call pharmacy.
Mayada mahapon, good afternoon. So I am Dato Kilala Lanelio Tisangkuan, one of the tribal leaders in Kalasan Tribal Council in Kalasan Tribal Village. Uh, so I am very grateful that I am representing this clan so that we can see the, the essence of how we can save the Mother Earth as a purpose of the earth to save the wildlife and the ancient wisdom.
Yan ang tagbantayan dahil haba ah, makadaot ho kanay ha iling da kanay nata binantayan ha kalasan sa sa kinayahan manggod isip ayan ta kinabuhi mag-inon lang sa sumusunod ang mga kaliwatan ko malaag sa kinayahan.
Okay. Me is a Dato de Barusan, tribal chieftain of Higaonon tribes in Kalasan Tribal Village. Recall, to defend the land area. We have also the landslide and the miners and the loggers are neglected here. Then the same also, we have also the tree planting project for the land denuded to become priest priest ecosystem or priest forest, something like that. Okay. And they have also the tribal chieftain and to the council to defend and to protect also the restorations of cultures and traditions and to transfer into the new generation. I'm Dato Pasagi, one of the tribal prince in Higaonon tribe here in Kalasan Tribal Village, Rugongon, Iligan City. Being as a tribal leader, being as a Dato Pasagi, meaning they are also uh, protector and govern the whole directions of earth, mm, from north, south, and east, west. Okay. Then we also how to protect the Mother Earth, something like this. We have also the three branches of government and the tribes and the same also the government, national political government. We have also the tribal datu and tribal bai to govern about the what we call executive department, to execute the bai also and the datu and the whole community to become unity to protect the Mother Earth or the homeland.
Traditional way of calling home is that tulugan, the home for the indigenous peoples, the home for the sacred rituals, and the home for the Mother Earth, and the home for the governance. And the tulugan is having 8 pillars, so representing different governance. Uh, like how to create a peaceful way, representing different clans, representing uh, the wildlife, all the within the rainforest. So that is included in the 8 pillars. So of course, the mother and the women are part of it as the actress of the Tulugan.
And you said for you, the word Tulugan has a sense of belonging.
That's a sense of belonging, and Tulugan can welcome everybody to come. That is what we call welcoming home. Yeah, Tulugan is the place where we can gather together to discuss everything: governance, women, and, empowerment, environmental protection, wildlife conservation. All those that can focus on the indigenous peoples and the wildlife, the rainforest. So caters all the needs of the indigenous peoples. We can hold it in the Tulugan.
Our elder discuss every place here, the mountains, the rivers, the trees, the stones, and the rocks, and the all of the rainforest is protected for the guardian of the holy angels.
Kagaagila kurona jambo taga sampi tangkona jambo di jalan daan para yung kayo amo po ang sehong kay kabarakat ko tundaro apa mongolo ko sorotan na yun layo sorotan na pagayangan.
Sila tatalaw klase apulhatan sa papanilay bunto jawainan sa tulod-tulod di tawahig indangan ta inan sa emana dina ighanga na yung isang babaya sa man tagkakaduwalan.
Ang ilahang ko sa mga kabataan, ha makahibalo silang kuino sa pagprotektar o kultura daw pag-atiman ho kinaiyahan.
I'll give guidance to the young people on how to protect the culture and their nature.
So, iman, gusto ko ha sa aktual iman, samatan iman sa binuhat.
I
Gika-
want this time the actual, just like what we did in the morning,
Gikan ko mga apo, tamang ko mga laas.
from the forefathers, the ancestors until now.
Gikan doong ko kagkaanay, kagkalimbag o kalibutan.
Even in the very first beginning,
So, yan na yan, kaalam, gikan, diya, adan daw si iba hantod iman.
that was the wisdom from our ancestors.
So, siyak mig sacrifice sa iman, ha, makahibalo alan sa mga kabataan, hudya na iglapis ho, kaalam ho, kultura, daw pag-atiman ho kinaiyahan.
I sacrificed for a long time for the next generation, from now on until to the next generation. So this is one of our questions now. So we're going to build the University of the Rainforest, the Tulugan there. So that area, in that plain area, so we'll plan to build the one of our goal and mission to build the Rainforest University. So we are hoping that this time I'm calling my eco-warriors and stewards for the Mother Earth that this Rainforest University will give light to the indigenous peoples all around the world, that we can have the time. There's no planet B, but we can save for the rainforest, the last home of the indigenous peoples and wildlife.
Yeah. According to the elders also, the University of Rainforest protected through the councils and the elders, etc., that belong to the University of the Earth. From the elders to the next generation is continuing the protection of the rainforest.
Dai tagain luod na asalay say mau yung kainayan. So, yan lang.
Daw kan.
Yang kayan hawit sa kada sulod.
Okay. Gagaw! Kalasan! Maida Masalam. So this morning, good morning. Good morning to our very kind visitors from India and Europe. So Alexander and Rama. So for now, we are very grateful and thankful for this time that this celebration is like a sacred forest celebration. So we have this one, the Covenant and Stewardship, Culture and Nature Sacred Healing Ceremony. So panagaaso, kapanapang, kapamumulakaw, and kapanalilay. So this sacred healing ceremony for the rainforest is a yearly activity healing the Mother Earth and the communities, where we can have a connection to the Mother Earth and the Creator. So for this, we are very thankful and grateful that through the effort of the Tribal Council, the Kalasan Tribal Council, together with the tribal elders, the spiritual leaders, and the community, and with our visitors. So we are forever grateful to do this as very significant activity towards the Creator. Now it is witnessing that what we're doing now, that the rainforest is very sacred for us, and the witness is the sacred healing now is our ancestors with the ancient spirits. So thank you so much. For that, we are going to affirm our healing ceremony with the elders and the spiritual leaders and the tribal council and the young people, the women. So we are going to sign our covenant to affirm the sacredness and our obligation as steward to protect and save the Mother Earth.
And you. Oh, sunod. Pirma. Sunod pirma dia. Pirma. Asa dapat ka nang walay sulat. Lago ra pirma.
Kagaagila ako na jambo taga sampi tangkuna jambo di yang landaan para yung kayo amo po ang sehong kay kabara.